Hey guys, I need to make a sign to go between the door and the rig over there, so... I was about to trace the backing board that'll go behind underneath here, and so I realized this one scrap piece of plywood I have is actually the splitter that I measured for my Infinity probably 2 years ago now, and it was from eBay and it was crap and it didn't fit right, but I liked the front shape, but the sides were all garbage. So I saved it in case I use my jigsaw prowess to make a splitter for myself. But as you can see, I do have a splitter now on the front, so I don't need that anymore. Oh. So we can go ahead and use this now for the backing board for the Michelin Man. The Michelin Man is all cut out, all put together. I sanded it down with my little sander, you know, going. So now it's pretty smooth. I don't want to make it too nice though, plus I can't sand it too much because these will be gone. So now we can get it ready for paint. Also, I don't know what the hell is going on with my drill, but it's all like super banged down. Works fine though, but man, I don't know what this material is of, or maybe my hands are just too Russian for it and they're like sandpaper. So anyways, moving on. Does this count as a man in the trunk? So it came out real good. I'll put it out. I'll pull it out now and we'll take a closer look. Alright, here's the Michelin Man all finished. Nice and pretty. I like the gloss. White paint. I like all the little imperfections. You can still see like some kind of circular swirl marks, the little dents and divots and little like cracks. So this way it gives it a little bit of character without me taking sandpaper to it. Matches my brown tires. The car is really dirty at the moment, and I got this side is all messed up. Not messed up, I got a bunch of stuff sitting here because I got all those. I'm going to be practicing. It's my old bumper from the Montero that's sitting, hiding right there behind the tree. And so I gotta sand all this, degrease it, sand it, get it all ready, and then experiment. I'll paint my old bumper because I don't want to quite cut into my new one yet, and then paint that, practice the bed lining, and go from there. I was trying to jigsaw these today actually, and it cuts really clean and well. My old grill, these are going to be to dye them. I have some dye, I just haven't gotten around to it. I want to try dyeing them black and see how it goes. So let's see what else we got. And then actually I got more Fallout stuff coming up that's going to be processed soon. I still got to process the Infinity videos. We got little fish coming up, somewhat popular character. Random stuff just sitting here. I just got some rags and degreaser and painting containers, and of course I have the Raptor liner kit, hence the air compressor. I got a scroll saw I haven't even had a chance to try. So 2021 is shaping up to be real busy, but thank you guys for watching. Let's see what else we can build this year, right?